Welcome to our full guide on how to create a Fanbasis checkout page in 2025. Fanbasis is revolutionizing the way content creators monetize their work. Let's understand what a checkout page is and why it's crucial for your success as a content creator. It's your gateway to making sales. First, you need to set up your Fanbasis account for checkout capabilities. Let's walk through the registration process. Now, let's focus on the design of your checkout page. Make sure it reflects your brand while being user-friendly. Next, you'll want to add your products and establish competitive pricing strategies to attract buyers. In Step 4, we'll integrate payment gateways to ensure smooth transactions for your customers. It's vital to implement strong security features to protect user data and build trust. Before you go live, test the checkout process to identify any potential issues and ensure a smooth user experience. After testing, it's time to publish and promote your checkout page. Utilize social media and your existing audience to spread the word. Finally, don't forget to maintain and optimize your checkout page over time for continued success.